So when it comes to action camera photography, nobody really does it better than GoPro themselves. And with their many camera options out there available, there's a lot to choose from. So today I want to take a look at the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the GoPro Hero 7 Silver, and see if the GoPro Hero 7 Black is worth the added cost. I've used both cameras extensively, and I want to help you decide whether or not you should go with the black over the silver. So we're going to be comparing some footage on the same section of trail using both cameras, and we're going to take a look at how they both perform. So without further ado, let's get into the review.
They were riding on Mount Dora bike trail.
So first off, you can clearly see that the Hero 7 Black is much better at stabilizing the footage than the silver.
Just the overall video quality. GoPro Hero 7 Black versus silver.
Now both images are unedited, and you can see that the Hero 7 Black has a better dynamic range than the Hero 7 Silver. Now it is worth noticing that the Hero 7 Silver is almost $100 cheaper than the Hero 7 Black at the time of making this video. Now the camera sensor on the Hero 7 Black is much better than that on the Hero 7 Silver, being 12 megapixels versus 10 megapixels. Also, the Hero 7 Black is HDR capable, whereas the 7 Silver is not. Another good point is that the Black has an interchangeable battery, whereas the 7 Silver does not. However, I did notice that the 7 Silver had a longer lasting battery than the 7 Black, but this could just be simply solved by buying new batteries and keeping some on hand, but still, it's noteworthy. Now the 7 Silver is locked at a 4.3 ratio, whereas the 7 Black is shooting 16:9. Overall, both cameras are a very good option, and if you're on a budget, 7 Silver is actually really good for the money. So I hope that helped you make a decision, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.